Midlife brings on many changes. When it comes to balance, flexibility, coordination, and strength, it's important to reevaluate your overall lifestyle and make any necessary tweaks accordingly. Hence, we're here with 8 daily yoga exercises to do after 50 that will address this age and stage of life. So grab your mat and let's get moving. Your body will thank you for it. Exercise 1. Mountain Pose. Mountain pose is the foundation of all standing poses. It improves posture and balance while centering your body. Stand tall with your feet together or hip-width apart. Distribute your weight evenly across both feet. Engage your core, roll your shoulders back, and relax your arms at your sides. Inhale deeply, feeling your spine lengthen, and hold for 5 deep breaths. Mountain pose strengthens your thighs, knees, and ankles. Perfect for building stability. Exercise 2. Chair pose. Chair pose helps to build leg strength, which is essential for maintaining mobility as we age. From mountain pose, bend your knees as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your knees behind your toes and lift your arms overhead. Engage your thighs and hold the position for 5 breaths. Slowly return to standing. This pose works on your quads, glutes, and core, helping to prevent falls. Exercise 3. Cat-cow stretch. Cat-cow is an amazing exercise to improve spinal flexibility and relieve tension in your back. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale as you arch your back and look up cow position. Exhale as you round your spine and tuck your chin. Continue moving between these 2 poses with your breath for 5 to 8 breaths. This flow stretches your spine, neck, and shoulders. Ideal for anyone dealing with stiffness. Exercise 4. Downward facing dog. Downward facing dog helps stretch the entire body, from the back to the calves, while building upper body strength. From tabletop, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up towards the sky. Press your hands firmly into the mat and straighten your legs as much as is comfortable. Hold for 5 breaths, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and back. This pose builds flexibility and strength while also improving circulation. Exercise 5. Warrior 2. Warrior 2 is fantastic for building leg strength and improving balance. Plus, it boosts confidence. Step your feet wide apart, turning your right foot forward and your left foot slightly inward. Bend your right knee, keeping it directly over your ankle. Extend your arms out at shoulder height and gaze over your front hand. Hold for 5 breaths, then switch sides. This pose strengthens your legs, arms, and core while enhancing focus and concentration. Exercise 6. Bridge pose. Bridge pose is excellent for opening the chest and strengthening the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Inhale and press your feet into the ground, lifting your hips toward the ceiling. Hold for 5 breaths, then slowly lower down. Bridge pose improves posture and strengthens the muscles around the spine, perfect for supporting daily movement. Exercise 7. Tree pose. Tree pose is a simple balance exercise that helps improve coordination and strengthens your legs and core. Stand tall, shift your weight to your left foot, and place your right foot on the inside of your left thigh or calf. Avoid the knee. Bring your hands together at your heart or extend them overhead. Hold for 5 breaths, then switch sides. Tree pose enhances balance and stability, essential for everyday life as we age. Exercise 8. Child's pose. Child's pose is a gentle resting position that stretches the lower back, hips, and shoulders while calming the mind. Start in a kneeling position, then sit back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take slow, deep breaths, holding for as long as you like. This pose is deeply relaxing and a great way to release tension after your practice. Thank you for joining us. And there you have it, 8 yoga exercises that are perfect for beginners over 50. Remember, yoga is about progress, not perfection. So listen to your body and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Like, subscribe and share.